UPnP, or Universal Plug and Play, is a network protocol that allows devices to automatically discover each other and set up port forwarding for applications like online gaming or remote access. On T-Mobile gateways, UPnP issues often occur due to firmware bugs or double NAT problems, where two network devices create conflicting address translations. First, ensure your gateway firmware is up to date through the T-Mobile app for the latest patches. Next, try rebooting the gateway by power cycling it completely to reset temporary glitches. If issues persist, manually configure port forwarding in the gateway settings at 192.168.12.1 or via the app, assigning specific ports to your device's IP address. For gaming, use the game's recommended ports. UPnP stability also depends on your home setup and signal strength, so ensure good 5G or 4G coverage. Double NAT occurs when both the T-Mobile gateway and a secondary router act as routers, creating IP conflicts and blocking UPnP functionality. The primary solution is to enable IP pass-through on the T-Mobile gateway via the app. This turns the gateway into a modem, letting your secondary router handle network management and preventing double NAT. If IP pass-through isn't fully effective, connect devices directly to the T-Mobile gateway to bypass the secondary router. As a last resort, contact T-Mobile support. Be aware that mesh systems can introduce new compatibility issues. Check online user forums for configurations used by others.